Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to access Kukai Wallet on web browser. Kukai Wallet is a web-based cryptocurrency wallet primarily designed for the Tezos XTZ blockchain. It lets you store and manage Tezos tokens, NFTs and other assets on the Tezos network. Connect to decentralized applications, apps on Tezos directly through your web browser, send and receive Tezos tokens, including interacting with smart contract. First, open any of the web browser. Chrome is recommended for the best. Compatibility through Firefox or the Edge also work. In the top there's address bar, type down Kukai Wallet and enter it. And over here, select to this Kukai Wallet. Over here, once you reach into this interface of the Kukai, on the top right, you can see there's an option for the create new wallet. Select to this create new wallet. You may be asked to choose a login method. This can be include social login. Over here, simply select to this. When you click here to reveal your seed words over here, what you can do is simply copy to this clipboard, and after that, select next. Over here, simply type down the first word. So you verify your seed, select to this next over here. You can also type down your password and confirm your password if you want to choose your own password here. After that, you can select next, and that is it. This is how you can create a new wallet in Kukai. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.